Hi guys. So I posted a video yesterday about this comparing this Tribus Dynapro vacuum blender to my um, my 780 Vitamix, which I've been using for years. And in that video I said I was going to return this, and Discount Juicers is pretty, I've bought several juicing equipment from them in the past with fantastic results. I've had this for 2 days there, and when I contacted John at Discount Juicers, or whoever his employee is that responded, basically asked a few questions about it, and I said, look, I got the juicer. The question was, did it taste different? I say, yeah, it tasted like more healthy, but my kids wouldn't drink it because it's grainy. And one of the suggestions he said was blend more, which I did when I tried this blend out. I blended it, then I blended it some more, then I blended it some more, and some more than I would typically do. And then I ended up dumping it out into the Vitamix to get the smooth stuff, make the smoothie smooth. And so I responded to that, and he sent me the RMA form, or the return merchandise form, which I filled out, and I immediately got a response from that form stating it was denied. So it confused me for a second. So I wrote him back and say, hey, the juicer was, the returning of this blender was denied, to contact me, but I haven't heard anything yet. So I don't know if he's doing whatever he's doing to try to figure it out. He says busy. But anyhow, I just revisited the form and read the specifications as to why it was denied. And it was denied because it came in contact with food. Now, I'm under the impression that when it says food, I'm thinking like meats and other food products from, the kitchen, breads and stuff like that. Because on the RMA form, I selected yes, it was in contact with food, because I identified fruits and vegetables as food. So I kept reading and then it showed some of the policies. You have 14 days from the time of receiving the product to return it, but you cannot return it if it came in contact with food or if it was used. And using it once is considered used, so I cannot return this product. I can exchange it, but I cannot return it. And then they go ahead, the information goes on to state that I can sell it on their personal, some kind of private social media platform that they offer. So I sent another email to John. Hopefully he will respond in a few days. So here's hoping. If for some reason I am unable to get my money back or to return this item, and I'm forced to sell it on that used website I have, I'm going to lose money. And this is a $600 piece of equipment. I'll be damned if I lose my money. So if you guys that follow my video, or you stumble across this video, hold off from buying from Discount Juicers. And if you're not sure about a specific blender, go to a physical store in your location and demo it, buy it there, and return it there if it doesn't work for you. Because what I'm going through right now is really nerve-wracking, because I cannot afford to lose $600 in a pandemic. And most in my state of Maryland, every place you go, you got a 30-day, some places 90 days to return stuff. Now, if for some reason I cannot return this item, I'm stuck with this hunk of junk, because it is garbage to me, since it doesn't juice, it doesn't blend smooth. It is considered garbage to me. I can contact my credit card company and dispute this product there, and they have a 90-day range, time limit based on federal regulations. So that will probably be the next step if I can't resolve this with discountjuicers.com. like and subscribe, follow before you buy from them. John has put out tremendous content over the years. I learned a lot. I bought 3 items from him in the past, like a orange juice press, the manual one, Omega Vert, I think it's a 350, and the Omega 8006 auger juicer. And those things have been fantastic. The warranties have been crazy long. I just got a replacement for the Omega 8006. John was actually instrumental in helping me get the replacement because he was able to pull up my information as to the date that I bought the product and gave me that information to go ahead and start pursuing getting the replacement, and everything went smoothly with that. But with this Tribest Dynapro, you know, I'm not having the same luck, so I'm hoping it's just a glitch. And if it's a glitch, great, I will do another video following this up, because I don't want you guys to lose your money, because I don't want to lose my money. Like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.